William, how you doing? This is Eric Cline. I'm doing well. Hold on, I'm having a hard time hearing you, buddy. You there?
I'm here.
Okay, awesome. You've been speaking with Jose. Hopefully he's been more than kind and courteous with you.
Oh yeah.
Nice. All right. So
Let me say this. I know you guys got to make money, and I'm here. I want you to make money. Let me tell you a little bit about me.
I like how this is going already.
Huh?
I said I like how this conversation's going.
Yeah, I'm an old mortgage broker.
I love it. I love it.
I had 40 offices in 16 states.
Nice.
Okay.
Nice.
So I retired. I don't owe nobody nothing. I got money. It ain't no big deal. I bought the property for my daughter a long time ago. Then my son.
Where's our offer at?
Because they wouldn't keep their part
Okay.
of the buyer.
He's good with that?
Yeah, he's good with that.
So, but it ain't never been late.
Christian put this.
Okay.
Okay.
27 is owed on it. I paid 100 and how much did I pay for it? 48. 148 for it.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not looking for nowhere near that.
Got it.
You know, I told you guy, if I gotta list it, then I might as well list it with a realtor.
Okay.
You know, I
Okay.
mean, but if you're gonna buy it as is, fine, let's go.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
showed you pictures of it. I'm the type of guy, I don't want nobody losing.
Right,
I don't
right.
want you losing.
Yeah.
I mean, everybody's supposed to make out. That's
get it.
why I'm giving you a good price, okay?
Mm-hmm.
60 grand, you pay closing costs,
Yep.
it's your baby. So it's on 3 lots. You're going to make your money with it,
Okay.
okay? I'm telling you, I know it. The comps right now, I know the comps show 160 to 200. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath,
Okay.
okay? All day long.
Okay.
I mean, how you gonna lose with 60? You're not gonna lose. I showed you the HUD one. I got the HUD one showing how much I paid for it.
Okay. Understood.
So, I mean, you know, like I say, if I got to go through all the rest of the, look, it's like a investment to me.
Mm-hmm.
Back in the day.
Got it.
For my kids.
Okay.
He's already moved out. I mean, my son is still there, but he bought another house already.
Okay.
So I'm gonna sell it, but he gonna stay there until we sell it. So
Okay.
whether I sell it to you or I list it to sell, he gonna stay there until I sell it. The payments are current. And it's insured for $280,000. So, I'm just saying, I'm giving you a bone, man. I'm telling you, this is a good bone. It's on 3 lots, okay? It's on 3 lots.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? You know, some work need to be done. I say you need to put in about,
Just letting him talk.
to make it pristine,
Yeah.
I would say put in about 20 grand.
Okay.
Yeah, and then it's gonna be pristine. So
Who's
you know,
living in it right now? Your son?
Yeah, he's in there now, and he's gonna stay there until I sell it.
Got it. Understood.
Whether it's a year, whether it's 10 years, he'll stay there.
Understood. I get it. All right.
Yeah.
Looking at the picture, I mean, when your son moves out, are they just grabbing? I mean, I'm looking at the pictures. It looks like.
I know the wife already bought another house somewhere. She moved out, and all that stuff got disorganized, all the clothes and all that stuff. So
Yeah.
they're gonna be taking all that out of there.
Wow. Okay. Okay. Cool.
Yeah, they're gonna take all them clothes and all that stuff out of there.
Okay. And you're good with? Do they need a little bit more time than that 30 days, or you think they're good with that?
No, he could be out in 30 days. They
Okay.
got another house already.
Okay.
You know.
All right.
I mean, yeah, they can be out.
All right.
Whenever you want to close, I can have them out the same day, next day.
Okay. All right. Cool. We're good with the 30 days. We've agreed on 60, right? 60 grand.
I can do that.
Okay. So what's the holdup?
My theory is this. If I have to do all of this inside inspection and all of that, you know, then why don't I just list it with a realtor and then get top dollar, get as much as I can get out of it?
I get it.
If you know, if you're going to buy it as is, my
William.
theory of as is, like it sit. Boom.
Get it. William, real quick though. You and I both know, and in order for you to list this, ain't no realtor gonna put this house on the market right now.
Well, let me say it. I'm not gonna say that. Only because all of this stuff is gonna be out of there. You know, and I mean it's gonna sell because I can sell it for. Let me say it like this. It's insured right now for $280.
I get it. I get all that.
I know it's not worth no $280.
I know it's not.
Okay, you know, and I know. But I do know I can get between 160 and 200 because I'm looking at the comps.
Got it, William. This is all I'm asking for, my man. When I go under contract on a house, just so you understand, like me and my partner, we are the money guy, and I know it's 60 grand. But I'm not in the business of signing my name on a contract where I cannot come into the house.
I tell you what I will do.
I'm not.
I tell you what I'll do. You want to come into the house? I'll let you come into the house. Give me $70,000, $10,000 down. I'll let you in the house. I want a serious buyer.
I'm serious. I'm not curious.
Okay,
I'm serious.
Okay, now let me say it again. Otherwise, I'll give it to you 60 sight unseen.
I'm not doing 60 sight unseen. I won't do it. There ain't too many people that would do that.
That's right. Okay, give me 70. I'll let you in the house. I'll tell you what. I'll give me $5,000 down.
I'm not getting taxed for that much because I want to walk inside the house.
Well, yeah. Well, I'm gonna put. I mean, hey. The reason I'm saying that is because if you want me to sell it for what I want to sell it for, then
do you know what the average home on the market? You can go sell it with a realtor. The average home on market right now sitting for anywhere from 90 to 120 days. I can get this thing closed out in 30 days or less for us.
And I understand that, and I'm okay. I'm giving you credit for that because I'm taking down the price.
Got it.
So let
William,
me say it like this. Yeah.
William, all I'm asking, my man, is I want to come into the house and walk it real quick. That's it.
I'll do that. Give me some money down with 70,000. I tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do this. Give me 5 down, 65,000. I hold my 5. I'll bring you in any day you want to come in.
I'm gonna put money with the titling company for EMD.
No, I ain't gonna go with that because you can cancel out. No, I don't want to be going through all that.
Good. Well, I'm not stroking you a $5,000 check. I won't do it, and nobody in their right mind will. If you've sold and bought enough real estate, you know that's not how this game works.
Let me say that look, I'm a software developer also. Okay?
Awesome.
For the state of Illinois, I'm the guy that set up their database for the realtors and the mortgage brokers.
That's great.
I did that. So what I'm saying, you're not talking to somebody who don't know.
I didn't, but I buy 20 to 40 homes a month, and I would never agree to stroking some guy $5,000 check, and I haven't even walked in the house yet. That would be a very stupid investment.
Well, I tell you what, if you can figure out a way
that we're both protected. It's very simple. We do a normal real estate. Hold on, let me chat for a moment. We just do a normal real estate transaction. If there's nothing wrong with that house, there should be zero reason I can't put EMD down with the titling company.
I didn't say nothing was wrong with it.
All right.
I told you got to put about 20 grand in it and be pristine.
Cool. So why don't we do this? If you're looking for 70, I'll come up to 70 grand. I'll come up to $70,000. I'm going to prepare an agreement. I'll have EMD put with titling company. I'll open title, and we'll have a 30-day close. I need the inspection period. There's no way I'm getting around it.
Okay, I'll do the 70. And deposit is non-refundable.
After inspection period.
See, 'cause I don't want you going out there and I don't want to buy. That's my problem.
I want to buy the house, but I'm telling you right now, I'm looking at the pictures, and again, I know it's your family in there, so I'm gonna tread lightly. I've seen enough pictures where homes look like that of the person living in it, and you know, 50% of the time, there's things wrong with the house someone doesn't know about.
Okay, but the thing about it is, don't forget, they've already moved. His wife has already moved out. All of that junk is because it moved into another house.
I get that, but again, looking at these pictures, I'm not gonna do a non-refundable EMD. Nobody in their right mind would do that.
You gotta give me something, $1,000 or something. I need something to hold to say, hey, this man is serious.
I'm as serious as a heart attack, or I wouldn't be wasting my time on the phone right now. I have 120 people in my office right now making offers.
Right, I know.
Literally, if I FaceTimed you right now, William, here, let me open the door to the office. You can hear it. I don't have a lack of inventory. I'm gonna buy today 30 homes, whether it's yours or another 30. I'm buying 30 homes today.
That's right. That's right.
So I'd love to work with you. I'm born and raised in the state of Illinois. I love Illinois. But I buy homes all over the place. What I'm not gonna do is risk money. I'm not in the business of losing money. I'm in the business of making money. And I wanna work with you. I like the house. All I'm asking for is a normal transaction where we can put an inspection period in there. I'll put EMD down. If everything is what you say it is, this is a smooth deal.
Okay, I tell you what. I'll let you in the 70. You already got the pictures.
Yeah, that's it, William. I'm not trying to play hardball. I'm really not, brother.
Let's do it. Let's be that way then. Let's close in 3 weeks then.
30 I need a 30-day close, my man. Title company's gonna, right now, title takes 2 weeks as it is.
I know how title is. I used to own a title company. I know.
Good.
So you're dealing with somebody. I was the first black-owned title company in the country.
Come on.
I was underwritten by Chicago Title, so you know who they are.
Yeah, I know exactly who they are.
Yeah.
All right. So this is what I'm gonna do. Listen, we're fighting over pennies in a week now.
That's right.
Like if you say, "Oh, I'll just go listen," you're talking about 3-4 months before this thing even closes. We are literally negotiating days. Let's do a 30-day close. Let's just stop the. You want your money? I'll take the house. Let's just move past this. Let's honestly.
Okay. This is what we do. You put something in that contract saying there's won't be no unreasonable reason to to cancel out.
William.
Look, you've already reviewed the pictures.
Yeah.
I'll get you in the house. If you're not gonna, if you can't.
William,
What?
just so you know, I want to buy the house. I really do. You seem like a stand-up guy. I don't think you're trying to pull any wool over my eyes.
No,
I really don't. You do. I like the way you do business. I respect you. I like the house. I want to buy it. I want you to have a fair deal. That's what I'm saying. I'll come up to 70.
Right.
I don't want to waste my time and have my team prepare a contract. I'm sending my team out there. You know what I mean? I'm going to walk the property real quick. I bring my financial partner and a contractor out there. That's all I'm doing. I'll be in and out. I'm not going to disturb anybody. And if I can close in 3 weeks, hold on. Let me just finish real quick. If I can close, I'm going to put 30 days or as soon as practical. If I can close in 3 weeks, you bet your ass I'm closing in 3 weeks.
Tell you what, Dan. You want it? Give me something. Give me $500. Wire me that with a contract, on the contract, and then you wire me $500. I'll let you in.
God, I don't pay somebody $500 to enter a house. There's too many houses out there.
No, you got control of all the money.
I don't have control of it. If you're saying it's a good deal, why are you? I'm not paying you $500 to walk inside your house. Absolutely not.
1 second. Hold on, buddy. 1 second.
You got it.
All right. I'm going to go ahead and go with you. Send me the contract.
William, I appreciate you, man.
Hold on 1 second.
No, you're all right. You okay, man? You can get a sip of water?
Yeah. I just ate some barbecue from a relative.
Oh, barbecue. You got me hungry now, damn it.
Hey, what's going on? I want to congratulate you for making it to the end. What does that mean? You're in the 1% club. No one else stuck around. You did. What I want you to do is subscribe. More importantly, comment below. That way I know exactly who you are and we can get to know one another. Every single week, by you turning your notifications on, you're not gonna miss the sales training that's gonna keep you in this 1% club. Comment below, subscribe. I'm gonna see you in the next video. Let's continue to refuse to lose.